Azu. Good. So you are the one said you said it in Igbo. You say it azu. It's fish, but it's azu. Azu or dried fish. Azu or. Say it. Can you say it? Again. Kehana, where? What's the name? Azu was in it, but there's a particular name. Mba. Abura crayfish.
It's like a type of dried fish.
In Igbo. Something. Oh, okay. Roko. That's the head. We have the head. We use it sometimes. But I will show you. Okay? Now, we have the head of the fish, but it's blended because of bone. We don't want people to eat bone. So it has been blended already. Pardon? You want to say something? If you want to say something, let me know. So, nke abu. Quickly.
Crayfish.
N'Igbo. Achọrọ m ịnụ ya n'Igbo maka anyị nọ na Igbo camp. Ka ihe a na-akpọ ya n'Igbo. Isha. Gara ni aka. Konye kwuru akwa gwa. O nwere aha ọzọ but o nwere ya isha gwa aha Igbo ya. Wo kisi ayịya. Si ayịya. E nwere ayịya ọcha, nwa ayịya nke ndị Igbo ka wa ayịya ọcha, crayfish, All right. Then nke a bụ gịnị? Quickly. I don't mean English. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear Igbo English here. Can you hear about this thing? Quickly. Chineke is manu nri. Manu nri. Do you know how to produce manu nri? Do you know what produces how?
You squeeze it.
Can anybody identify the palm tree here? Wow, that is the palm tree here. Have you seen it?
Yes, I have it in my
Good.
house.
She has it in her house. Osisi nkwu. It's called nkwu. The tree is called what? Osisi nkwu. Say it. Good. Kabu hoji. I told you Igbo is so enriched in food. Ede. Not ede. Say ede.
Ede.
Good. Ede. Koloniaka. Somebody said yesterday, I love eating cocoyam. I don't know I like eating ede yesterday. Are you the one that eats cocoyam? Somebody was saying it. Okay. So something else. This is, you know that the white people, the English, they have their own spice. So this is our own spice. What is it? Say it. Wow, yes, that's a Kong smell. Oh yeah. K4. Are you perceiving it? You say, ew. Somebody say, ew. Ogiri. Do you like it? When you put it inside the soup, you will see the very beautiful. So we don't use maggi or these chemicals. Pardon? You didn't seen it? Okay, you see. Have you seen it? You don't like the smell. But this is it's fermented egusi. Do you know what egusi is? That melon that you eat. That melon soup, egusi soup. This is fermented. It's a kind of egusi that is fermented. And it's very, very highly medicinal. Good. It's highly medicinal. So that cocoyam.
Bone the fish very well so you won't eat any bones in the fish. And then you pound your cocoyam so that there are no lumps.